Welcome to my magical kitchen. I've prepared a special feast just for you. Peekaboo. Hello there. Oops. Haha, sorry about that. Hello, Lulu. Why don't you come here, Kiki Cock, so we can talk? Chirp, chirp, chirp. Welcome, little friend. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Yes, I'd love to play. I have a special gift for you both. Ooh, what is it? It's beautiful, thank you. Wow, what is that? Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at all these fresh kiwis, Kiko. Oh, yum. I see them. See, Kiko? I can make it fly. Wow, Maya, you're amazing. Look at it go. Wow, that smells delightful. Hello there. Look, Kiko. See the fuzzy green skin of the fruit? Wow, it looks just like me. Green kiwi, green kiwi. Bloom. Try saying bloom. Beepy bloom. Wonderful. Diddle-winkle window. Oh, interesting. Now do you understand? Oh, yes, I get it now. Hooray! Now where's that strawberry hiding? I'll be right back. Oh! Look what I found! Look what I found, Maya. Oh, Kiko, it's perfect. I knew you'd like it. You are so radiant, little one. Thank you, Maya. It's the sunlight. Yellow lemon. Look at the bright yellow of that lemon, Maya. It's so beautiful. Oh, I know, Kiko. It's my favorite color. Well done, you two. That was excellent. You've shown great attention. Keep up the good work. Wow, a magical blender. Look, it's perfect for making smoothies. Ooh, let's try it out right now. Yes, let's do it. What is this strange contraption? It's where the magic begins, Lulu. Ta-da! Wow! You did it, Maya. Time for a little magic in our smoothie. Ooh! Let's make this delicious, shall we? Here are the lemon slices, Maya.
Ah, thank you so much, Kiko. Into the blender they go.
Almost there. What's in there? Keep going. Oh, wow, look at that. Isn't it amazing? Time for a smoothie. Perfect fit. Time for a little magic. Time for a little magic.
Look at it go. It's almost ready.
Shake it, shake it. Hey! Look at that go! Yeah! Ta-da! It's ready!
Wow, look at those colors spin. It's turning into the most beautiful green. Behold, the ultimate green dream smoothie.
Wow, Maya, look at that! It's so beautiful! Do you like the colors, Lulu? Yes, they're amazing! You did it!
Oh, it's perfect. Sweet, sour, and absolutely refreshing.
Here is some fresh juice for you, Kiko. Wow, thank you, Maya. It looks delicious. I hope you like it. I'm sure I will. Cheers!
Look! Look! Whoa! What the? light green.
You've got it, Kiko.
I'm glad we agree, Lulu.
Fantastic plan, everyone. I offer you this magical drink. May your dreams be as bright as the morning sun. We did it! Yes! Yes! Hooray! Goodbye. It was lovely to see you all. Have a wonderful time. Bye-bye. See ya. Say bye. Isn't this light just perfect?
Absolutely, it makes everything sparkle.
I feel like we could stay here all day.